Hi everyone, let's make such tiny and cute pom-poms today. For my work I'm going to use a skein of yarn, a fork and a pair of scissors. Cut the length of the thread so that you have enough to secure the pom-pom and tie it to your item if necessary. I use about 20 centimeters of the thread to secure my pom-pom and I've prepared the threads to which I'm going to tie the pom-pom on my item. Place the thread between the tines of the fork and start winding the yarn from skein onto the fork. The more thread you wind, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. The thread you have between the tines of the fork, wrap around the pom-pom, pull it as tight as possible, and tie it into a knot. Remove the pom-pom from the fork and repeat the actions once or twice. Cut the pom-pom on both sides from the center. Brush it up. Trim stray threads. I'm going to tie my pom-pom using a sewing needle. If the video was useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!